Dr. Popcorn, I need your...
I'm Dr. John Popcorn.
What is it?
Dr. Popcorn, how am I supposed to put together my 4-ounce Great Northern Popcorn machine?
It's very important that you relax, son.
Relax, look at those parts!
This is so easy. Nurse Jenkins can do it.
Nurse Jenkins?
Step 1. Use bolts and washers, package B, provided to connect the long stand labeled F and the 2-piece square pole labeled E together. Step 2. Connect the completed step 1 with the short stand labeled G by the bolts and washers, package B. Step 3. Insert axle labeled H into the short stand labeled G. Place the wheels labeled J on each end of the axle labeled H. Next, place washers package C onto each side of the wheels, which are labeled J, and then attach round cap nuts by wrenches provided, package D. Step 4. For more convenient assembly, turn the storage cabinet labeled K upside down. Insert both ends of the short and long stand onto the bottom of the cabinet and attach by the bolts, package B. Step 5. Turn the completed unit back to its upright position. Install the handrail onto the opposite side of the unit where the wheels are. Use the bolts and nuts and washers included in package A. Install the bronze shelving unit in the same fashion opposite the handrail.
Dr. Popcorn,
Yes, son.
that's your nurse.
Son, there's over 2,200 male nurses employed in this country today. It's very important that you grow up.
Step 6. Place the main unit labeled A onto the top side of the storage cabinet. Step 7. Place the pot, the kettle labeled B, onto the hanger. Note, the roller bar should be on the door side, and also check if the gears between the pot and ceiling are perfectly matched. Step 8. Connect the power plug from the main unit ceiling with the socket on the bottom of the pot. Step 9. Open the door of the storage cabinet and release the spring shafts beneath the main unit in order to fix the main unit to the storage base. Final step. Attach the tray into the slot. Attach metal door to secure your beautiful popcorn. That'll do, Nurse Jenkins. That'll do. Another miracle of modern popcorn from the Great Northern Popcorn Company.